Imagine plugging in your EV and in just 9 minutes you're 80% charged, faster than waiting in a coffee shop line. That's exactly what Zeekr just achieved with its latest breakthrough, the golden battery. This game-changing technology is pushing electric vehicles beyond what anyone thought possible. Electric vehicles have come a long way. The first EVs used lead-acid batteries, slow, heavy, and extremely inefficient. In the 1990s, nickel metal hydride (NiMH) improved things slightly, but range was still a major issue. Then came lithium-ion, revolutionizing EVs with lighter, more powerful batteries. This technology made Tesla, Nissan, and other EV pioneers possible. Even with lithium-ion though, charging remained a problem. Tesla's superchargers, which once felt fast at 120 kilowatts, now peak at 250 kilowatts, but even those take around 20 to 30 minutes for a full charge. Then came the 800-volt revolution. Porsche's Taycan, Hyundai's Ioniq 5, and Lucid Air introduced ultra-fast charging, cutting times in half, and now Zeekr is shattering every previous record. Zeekr's golden battery takes EV charging into a whole new era. Fitted inside the 7X SUV, this 75 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate LFP battery can charge from 10% to 80% in just 9 minutes and 45 seconds. That means you're gaining over 1,200 miles, 2,000 kilometers of range per hour. Svolt's Fengxing short blade battery, another Chinese innovation, claims an even faster 8.5-minute charge. But here's the problem, there's no charging network to support it yet. Meanwhile, Zeekr already has its own 840 kilowatt ultra-fast chargers up and running. During testing, the 7X SUV charged at 200 kilowatts before ramping up to a peak of 460 kilowatts, maintaining an average of 400 kilowatts. That's faster than anything available today, even beating Tesla's fastest V4 superchargers. So what's the secret behind Zeekr's ultra-fast charging? Zeekr's battery supports 5.5C charging, meaning it can charge at 5.5 times its capacity. Compare that to most EVs that charge at just 2 to 3C, and it's clear why Zeekr is so much faster. Higher voltage means lower current, reducing heat buildup, and making charging more efficient. This is the same trick used by Porsche and Lucid, but Zeekr's implementation is even more aggressive. Managing heat is one of the biggest challenges in fast charging. Zeekr's new BMS ensures that even during ultra-fast charging, temperatures stay under control. This extends battery life and prevents overheating. A fast battery is only half the battle. Without the right infrastructure, it's useless. Zeekr already operates 500 ultra-fast charging stations across China with 2,700 total charging piles. By 2026, they plan to have over 10,000 charging piles worldwide. Expansion is already planned for Australia and Thailand, making Zeekr's fast charging global. Meanwhile, competitors like Tesla and Hyundai rely on third-party networks. Tesla's supercharger network is still the best in the West, but Zeekr is building the fastest network in the East, a direct challenge to Tesla's dominance. This is just the beginning. Some companies are already developing megawatt chargers, potentially cutting EV charging times to just 5 minutes. Toyota and QuantumScape are leading the race for solid-state batteries, which could charge even faster and hold more energy. Expect more automakers, including Tesla and Ford, to shift towards higher voltage systems for faster charging. So, what do you think? Will Zeekr's ultra-fast charging revolutionize the EV industry, or will Tesla and other competitors catch up? Let us know in the comments. And if you love EV tech and future innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the world of electric vehicles.